नजर बन जा दीवाना। मैं सितारों का तराना, मैं बहारों का फसाना, लेके एक अंगड़ाई मुझ पे डाल, नजर बन जा दीवाना।
रूप का तुम हो खजाना।
अरे ये मेरा तो बोनाफाइड सर्टिफिकेट था, क्या इसमें लिख दिया यार?
टाइटल
अरे का टाइटल किया जा रहा है? हट, कोई काम का नहीं है।
टाइटल लिखना था ना।
नहीं, वो डिजिटल करना था ना यार।
डिजिटली तो हो गया दोस्त मेरा।
दोस्त भाड़ में जाए दोस्त, चल हट।
तुम हो मेरी जान ये माना, लेकिन पहले दे दो मेरा 5 रुपया 12 आना। 5 रुपया 12 आना, मारेगा भैया ना 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 ना।
Hi, my name is Devdarshan Prasad.
Ramalita Devi, we met on Tinder. I'm your date for today. I'm Dev.
I don't know why this Facebook is so obsessed with my work status. Anytime I log into it, it says tap here to add work. Tap here to add work. अरे भैया नहीं करता हूँ कोई काम, तुम प्लेसमेंट थोड़ी ना दे दोगे, हाँ? Sorry. By the way, my name is Dave.
Hey, D.
In order to be more interactive, I have some few questions.
Oh? Ramulu? Okay, that's cool.
अच्छा ये, अरे तंदूर में आँख लगा के देख रहा था चिकन कितना पका है। No, just kidding. अरे ये दिल का जख्म है, आंखों से बस बयां हो रहा है।
Hey, what's your level in Clash of Clans? Have you heard of a game called GOT?
Why? Why are we here?
I saw your selfie with Parthenon. I knew that.
Bike, I think that's too overhyped. Maybe cycle is cool. What? Nowadays they have cycles with gear too. Then maybe I'll get my father's one dispatched.
Water. Have you ever played water games? Oh, that rascal idiot moron, motherfucking asshole. He just lost that game. Shit.
What's our purpose? Will it work? Won't work? I mean, it should work, of course. Okay.
Why did you go there? Educational trip? Family trip? Or just for fun? No? अच्छा. Friend's grand voyage.
अच्छा तुमसे एक राज की बात पूछूं? तुम जब स्कूल में थी तो चॉप खाती थी? मैं बहुत लाल, पीले, नीले, हरा वाला बहुत टेस्टी होता था। मतलब इसी तरह ये क्यूरियोसिटी टाइप का। नहीं? अच्छा कोई बात नहीं।
Oh, hello? Yeah? From Torrent? GOT is out? Oh, what else? What new season? Okay. Oh, let me check. Okay. Oh, yeah, sure. And what about movies? No? Okay, fine.
What will be the consequences? What? So we have why? We have what? What will be the consequences? Will it be good for you? Will it be good for me? Right?
Arey, Greece. I am just obsessed with Greece. You know, for a mechanic, Greece is his pride. Just kidding.
नहीं ऑर्डर क्यों करूँगा तुम भी ना मतलब खाने का चीज मतलब इसी तरह बचपन में किडिंग ना
I love to be dexterous. I'm a living proof of being victorious without a moving sword. Quite literally.
When will the... I know you are not that comfortable with me, but still the ice should break. So the question is, when will the ice break? And who will break the ice? Who? You or me?
Guess what? My father's dream vacation is Athens. But actual scenario, he doesn't have any life left and I don't have any money left, so...
हाँ भैया ये 1 black tea or you? Acha हाँ. And 2 balti desi tharraj for the lady. Okay.
Just make noise of, you know, nothingness. They just don't know anything. But I think of a generation where there will be a 500G, not even 3G or 4G, 500G.
Which of these questions will lead to the path of salvation? Don't you think? Salvation is everything for you, for me. Only then will everything work out. Right? Hey! No! No! अभी नहीं! चल! Take it टेक! मैंने तो बोला था राइट. Sorry. So,
I've seen it all. Troy, Ulysses, 300, Clash of Titans, Gladiator. I know, Gladiator's Roman. I keep my facts right and my attitude right.
What bad what? Bad blood. No, bad blood is too sweet lyrics, you know. Bounce maar jata hai. I prefer like Hindi lyrics, you know, like sweet old melodies. Kill Sagal.
50 Tbps internet speed, you know?
let me ask you a very important question. A very important question. CBSE or ICC? Which was it?
Tell me, which stream of Greek philosophy you like? Athenian, Socrates, or Plato's?
You haven't heard it. Okay, listen. एक बंगला बने न्यारा, एक बंगला बने न्यारा.
Imagine an era of net masculinity and net femininity, not this net neutrality.
दिया जलाओ, दिया जलाओ, दिया जलाओ, दिया जलाओ, जगमग 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 जगमग.
Oh, grading system of the oldest form of evaluation. Grading system, right?
Data bank, data insurance, vaccination programs, and mass immunization for PC.
Let me ask you one thing, huh? Did you actually go to Greece or did some Photoshop wala scene happen? Wait, don't take me seriously. I'm just curious, you know. I'm kidding.
किशोर कुमार. कोई होता जिसको अपना हम अपना कह लेते यारो, दूर नहीं तो पास ही होता लेकिन कोई मेरा अपना.
भैया आज मेनू में ग्रीक क्या है? अच्छा, स्पार्टन चिकन फॉर मी एंड ग्रीक चाइनीज फॉर द लेडी.
What was your marks in high school?
I'm not into this privacy as such. I just prefer authentic torrent site over a bucket of popcorn and bunch of asshole pathetic BFF.
And what about senior secondary? You scored well, right? Tell me you scored well.
अकेले अकेले कहाँ जा रहे हो, अकेले अकेले कहाँ जा रहे हो, हमें साथ ले लो जहाँ जा रहे हो. अकेले 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 अकेले.
Acha, listen to this. I have these shorts with blue stripes and I just realized they look like the flag of Greece.
अबे भोसड़ी के वो मेसी की टी-शर्ट थी मादरचोद.
Imagine an era of 720 dimensional gaming and crystallized sound effects.
Hey, calm down. Deep breaths. Don't get angry. Don't get hyper. Especially don't get irritated. And don't make fun of my questions, okay? I spent last night, I wasted my sleep trying to write all these questions so that I could make you happy. All these questions I wrote only for you. And now you get so angry and you say, if my father is in the university department, the board of education. Just so you know, dear lady, it's not my father who is in the board of education, it's my uncle. And just so you know, one more time, it's not the board of education, it's called Human Resource Development Department. Okay? So be careful with the credentials next time.
लिखे जो खत तुझे टिनिन्यू, हाँ तेरी याद में टिनिन्यू, हजारों रंग के टिनिन्यू. सितारे बन गए जो फूल भूल गया लिरिक्स ना बहुत पुराना आता है.
Answer me this priceless question. What do you think of the economy?
Wait. I can understand if philosophy does not interest you. It's too vast for you. What about poetry? Homer or Pindar? No, not Tinder. We already finished that. Pindar.
People wanting a day off from their rigorous gaming schedule and ending up playing another to relax themselves.
अबे वो लैपटॉप की दुकान लाठी जैसे भोसड़ी के वो कब का तेरा हार्ड डिस्क लेके चली गई.
Huh?
What do you think of the golden cliche that we Indians can do better in America? You think Obama is so afraid of us? Oh, he should be. Speaking of which, what do you think of the Wall Street crash? If we Indians were there on the Wall Street crash, would that even happen? I mean, you watched the movie Wolf of Wall Street, right?
अरे wait. हम हॉर्स की बात कर लेते हैं ना. थोड़ा रोमो टच हो जाएगा.
What if Jordan Belfort was Indian? Will his skills of persuasion be double-fold? If I was there instead of Jordan Belfort, though, I would have a great time, right? Of course I would.
जाने वालों जरा मुड़ के देखो जरा मैं तुम्हारी तरह एक इंसान हूँ जाने वालों जरा.
Straight line persuasion, you follow it right down to the book and you worship Jordan Belfort in your heart. You follow straight line persuasion right down to the book. You can settle any beats, right? I know that was a great speech.
मुकेश इज वेरी नाइस यू नो. कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए शाम की पहली किरण जो आए मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए. Oh, okay. Sorry.
Can I offer you something so that you can quench your thirst? Like perhaps lime juice or something more drinkable water?
Okay, what's your take on abstract art? You know, Michelangelo, Pablo, Leonardo, Vinci, you know, like they make some random things and, you know, they have like artistic value. Nowadays, like things have become quite explicit, you know. What do you say?
I think I should be more honest with you, since that's the best thing ever. Honestly, if you would have asked anything apart from lime juice and water, you know, I would be in a tough situation because I only carry lime juice and water with me.
This one? No. This is not abstract. No. I won't be happy, you know, much happy with the same fate of this one too.
लुट गया मेरा सब कुछ है लुट गया मेरा सब कुछ है लुट गया मेरा सब कुछ.
You know, there are people out there in the world, not like me, you know that. People out there who talk the most random stuff, who talk as if they know everything, but they know nothing. So, I'm really happy to be here, and I must say, you really are very beautiful.
I'm so happy. So, instead of wasting any more time, let me just begin. Tell me, we should be more interactive, okay?
Can I tell you something informative about burgers then? Okay, so those people that I mentioned earlier, for burgers,
Especially for McDonald's or for KFC. We put all these attractive prices, all these discounts, 25% off, 30% off, get this free with that, get that free with this, all this stuff that they'll put. No, it has some hidden ulterior meanings.
you see, geniuses like me, people who are always experienced with this kind of stuff,
So, we know that this is all just a big hoax. You know my uncle, who's in the resource department, human resources? Yeah, he would say, this is like putting the wool over your eyes. That's what those people are doing to us. So, make sure that when you enter a joint such as that, you think twice, you think thrice, you think 4 times. And you think as much as you want, because what you put here, that should be activated only after what you put here.
I miss Madhuri ma'am. The way she used to teach. Forget teaching.
The way she used to walk into the class, the way she used to put the books, the way she used to toss her hair and look at the students and then shout and scream and get angry. I used to love the way she used to get angry. Every day, I used to give my assignments late, only so that I could make her get angry at me because
When she gets angry, her voice sounds so cute. People like that, they simply don't know what they're doing. Simply here to ruin your time, ruin my time. So when you talk to me, make sure that you're sitting in front of a genius. And I am sitting in front of someone who is beautiful such as you. Beautiful at heart, beautiful at mind. But that's why I'm trying to protect you from people such as that.
अच्छा तुम्हारा बॉयफ्रेंड था और वो जिम जाता था मतलब जाता है.
Oh, I see you're packing your bags. You're putting one thing inside. Oh, no! Don't leave. Okay, just stay there. Why will you? Yeah.
क्या? अच्छा ओके भैया देसी ठहरा वापस. ब्लैक, हाँ ब्लैक कॉफी.
Let's do one thing. Just stay. Let us analyze what went wrong. Okay? We'll analyze what went wrong, and maybe you two can be a genius.
ब्लैक कॉफी देते हो भोसड़ी की. ब्लैक का टिप्पी हो तो मादर चोद बहन के लगे. यहाँ पे डेट खराब हो गया मादर चोद. और तुम सारे यहाँ ब्लैक कॉफी दे रहे हो मादर चोद. बोले गार मार दूंगा मादर चोद. साले यहाँ पे तो कॉफी दे रहा है मादर चीज. ये कॉफी यहाँ पे तो कस्टमर को आएगा मान चोद.
Today's generation, you saw how what happened, right? Today's generation, so naive, so self-important, so egocentric. Nobody has any sense only. And people like me, we suffer. I told that barber not to make my hair cut in a Star Trek way. I know it doesn't work. See?
You know what? Sometimes life just sucks. But you know, somewhere I believe sarcasm should be declared as an official language. You know, personal point of view.
भूल कर दिल जिगर हमसे निशानी मांगो ना.
दिलरुबा क्या कहा, दिल जिगर क्या है, जवानी मांगो ना. तेरे लिए मजनू बन सकता हूँ, लैला लैला कर सकता हूँ, चाहे नमूना देख लो. हाय खून दिल पीने को और लखते जिगर खाने को. खून दिल पीने को और लखते जिगर खाने को. ये ग़िज़ा मिलती है लैला, ये ग़िज़ा मिलती है लैला, तेरे दीवाने को, तेरे दीवाने को.
हो जोश उल्फत का ज़माना.